Hi guys, today I will be replacing the strap or wristband of this Fitbit Charge. Okay, so it was broken, so I ordered a new one, a replacement one. So here it goes. The original strap is black, but I ordered a different one. So have a look. Okay, another plastic. Yeah, so you can see here, I ordered white. So I will cut here. Looks really good. So the old one had a broken portion on this part. I throw it away. So this one should be here. Just slide this part here. You can see here there's a option to release. Then just when you want to remove it, you have to press this part. Okay, try push it in. Now it's locked there, and the other side. Just press a little bit. Oh, now it's there. Looks really good. So should be like this. Okay, so that's it. So try it on. Just remove another watch. So it should be coming here like this. So then choose the hole, maybe this one. Okay, so that's it. It's really cool. Okay, again, thank you for watching.